Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is very special to me. As you can read by the title and the thumbnail, it is my first giveaway. I'm collaborating this giveaway with Amrita, who handles YouTube and Instagram page Beauty Edit by Amy. So I will give the link in the iCard above and in the description box. Go ahead and check her profile out. She's extremely talented. So to know more about giveaway, you have to keep watching this entire video and I will tell you by the end of the video. So keep on watching. One of my best friend Radula had gifted me this beautiful line of cosmetic products from K-Beauty. K-Beauty is created by Katrina Kaif with the vision to deliver ultra glam makeup look, long lasting, which also care for skin. So K-Beauty have wide range of products which is available on Nykaa. I will give the link in the description box. So it's 10:30 in the morning and I'm going for a wedding ceremony. So I will be creating a daytime look using these products. So let's get started. So I've got a loose powder, a lip liner, eyeshadow stick, lip topper. This I will be using as a lip topper and highlighter, a contour stick and an eyeliner. So I have applied foundation off camera as K-Beauty currently doesn't provide makeup foundation. So for contouring I am using K-Beauty contour stick. It is enriched with marula oil and vitamin C in the shade of caramel focus. The outer covering is a cardboard outer cover. This is the stick looks like. Manufacturing date, best before and everything is mentioned over here. Since I'm using all these products for the first time, so this will be my first impression. So this contour stick is color coordinating. As you can see, the outer cover is color coordinating. This stick is so smooth and so easy to apply. Next, I will be using Metal Show eyeshadow stick in the shade of Zedit Glow. It is enriched with caramide and macadamia oil. So this also comes with a cardboard outer cover. Product outer cover is also color coordinated. So I will be using this eyeshadow stick for my eye makeup. I'm just applying this eyeshadow stick in the outer corner of my eye and a broad eyeliner. I will just blend the product so that it will give a good smoky look. This is very easy to apply, one stroke application, and the pigmentation, I just love the pigmentation. I will just blend the eyeshadow using my Oriflame eyeshadow brush. I am just blending the eyeshadow so that it will give a good smoky look. So next I'm using HD Setup loose powder in the shade of olive. It's covered with a seal. So it looks like this. So I will be using this setting spray just to blend my eyeshadow a little bit. I'm using this setting powder only on the crease area just to blend. Now with the help of Beauty Blender, I will be applying this loose powder. I will be using powder brush from Pune store to cover my entire face. So I will be using lip topper as a lip topper and a highlighter as well. So I will be using this for highlighter first. So this is in the shade of Starlit. The packaging is also color coordinating, as you can see. So with the help of Beauty Blender, I will blend this highlighter. I will be applying this Eye Style liquid eyeliner in the shade of Chick Emerald. The outer cover of this packaging is cardboard outer cover. This packaging is also color coordinating. It has a fine brush for application. As you can see that this is looking gorgeous. Next I will be applying lip liner from K Beauty in the shade of Applause. The outer cover is also color coordinating. Since I don't have lipstick, so I will be applying this lip liner as a lipstick. I love the pigmentation and color is looking so pretty. I absolutely love this color. And this pencil is also color coordinating. Since I've used this lip liner already, so it is not long lasting. It lasts around 2 to 3 hours, not more than that. And this is one stroke application. I absolutely love the feel, the texture of this lipstick. I absolutely love it. So the applicator of this lip topper is a sponge applicator. So in this giveaway there will be 2 winners and both of the winners will get rupees 500 voucher from Nykaa. So rules to win this amazing giveaway is to follow me and Beauty Edit by Amy. Rule number 2 is to tag as many friends as you want in the comment section and make sure they follow these accounts. And rule number 3, you have to reshare this giveaway image in your story and tag both of the accounts. So this giveaway will end on 25th of January 2021 and the result will be announced on 26th January 2021 and we will be announcing winners on our Instagram platform and on YouTube, so stay tuned. So I have found K Beauty products easy to apply and they have given me such a beautiful, graceful daytime look. The texture of these products are very smooth. It is easy to apply. I love the pigmentation. These products gave me a simple daytime look, which I don't think that it has given me a loud look. Yeah, if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's shwet.opedia. So we'll meet soon on my next video. Bye bye.